Last Sunday morning, about, I would say, 1:30, I woke. I was bringing my wife, I thought I would, bring her home from the hospital that day, but it was not in the card. I brought her home on Tuesday. But I woke, getting all things ready for her to bring her home. And then I thought, but it's too early to get up, she isn't here, nothing I can do for her, so I began to meditate. And I said to myself, oh, let us have something wonderful tonight, a revelation, a real revelation, something to share with those who come, something to tell them, not to encourage them falsely, but to tell them the truth. Give me something deep, something big tonight. And then I fell asleep. I woke at 6:15. And this was that which preceded the waking experience. The most horrible drama you have ever heard of. Intrigue, deceit, betrayal, you name it. It was all part of that drama, as told us in the 41st Psalm. Even my bosom friend, whom I trusted, who ate my bread, has lifted up his heel against me. Though the net began to draw in, at first I didn't realize that I was the object of this net being closed in. For men came seeking my help, and I gave them help. They asked me to shelter them, that they were simply not guilty of what they were accused of doing. Well, I believed them, and I sheltered them, hid them in my home, and this whole thing was a plot by the government. And these people that I trusted and believed they were part of the plot to get me to shelter them, to get me to give them hospitality, to show it that I could be intimidated by my, love of them or friendship for them. Only in the very end of the experience, I suddenly began inwardly to laugh. I realized it was a play. That not one thing could have been different. It could not have been different. The whole thing was a play. And standing there in my own home, realizing it was a play, when the play came to an end and all these characters, then came a scroll before my face in bold, large script. And this is what it said. The end of the play is self in self and risen. That's the end of the play. When the one that is sent is brought back to the sender, and self in self, the two become one and risen. And then the curtain came down. That was the play. I tell you, this is a play. And you are sent into this world where everything dies. It appears, it waxes, it wanes, and it vanishes.